Hello guys, I have something that I want to share with all the Chromecast users out there. So as you may already know, I'm using pfSense local DNS resolver for the last couple of weeks, and I also created some firewall DNS rules that blocks all other DNS requests from the LAN devices, and I force all of my LAN device to use for the DNS my DNS resolver only. But the problem with some devices such as the Google Chromecast is that the Google Chromecast needs Google DNS resolver for some of its services to use. So how we can solve these issues? We must to create a firewall rule that is specifically designed from the Google Chromecast to help the Google Chromecast to reach the internet. And we must place this rule on above all of the blocking rules. So how can we do that? I will show you guys step by step how you can do that on the on the pfSense firewall. So let's go guys to solve this issue that we will see before with the Chromecast and create a new rule that bypass all our restrictions for the DNS, all our restrictions for the DNS requests. So first of all, we must open a browser. Let's open Google Chrome, Firefox in my case. Log in to the pfSense GUI. Then go to status, PHP releases. Find the Google Chromecast. As we can see here is this with this MAC address. We must click on this icon, the first one, the plus. After that, we must to give an IP. I give this IP. Leave all other as it is. Click save and apply. Then go to firewall analysis, add the IP. On the IP, click add, give a name, Chromecast for example. It's fine. An IP. It must be the same IP that we had before on the DHCP alias. And save. Apply. And go to ports. Add. Give a name. Chromecasts for example. We must add these ports. '53 and 1900. Click save and apply. Now we must go to firewall rules. Then we must go to the add button, action pass, interface LAN, address family IPv4 only for me. If you want, click IPv4, IPv6, but I'm already closed IPv6 entirely on my firewall, so I use only IPv4. Protocol any, source must be address or alias, and click give the alias that we created before, Chromecast. Destination any, and give a description for this rule. I give this bypass restrictions for Chromecast. It's fine for me, and I can recognize it later if I want. Click save, click apply. As we already said before, we must add this rule above all the restriction rules. So the restriction rules is here, DNS settings. I must add this rule from the Chromecast above all of this. So I place it here and I click save and apply. So as all you already can see, guys, we have a traffic here. So this means that the Google Chromecast can reach the internet now, can connect it to my Wi-Fi and can reach the internet. So we'll show you guys that now I'm able to cast my mobile device on the Chromecast and reach the content that I want. So guys, as we can see now, we have internet from the Google Chromecast, and now the Google Chromecast can reach the internet without any issues, and we can also cast our media apps from our mobile device to the Google Chromecast without any issues. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for now. Bye bye.